Hello and welcome to the channel. We are down here today with Marbella to have a look at this rather interesting foiling Candela. So this is an electric boat that at 16 knots drops down these red fins you can see across the boat here and lifts her skirts up and jumps onto the plane. So obviously once she's on the plane, she's effectively drawing a lot less drag. So that makes it really easy for her to gain a greater distance as a battery powered or electric powered boat than she would if she was a conventional propeller driven battery boat. So quite logically you can see the foils in the up position at the moment. She's powered by a Polestar battery, so it's a mainstream proven battery pack. So let's go and have a look on board. This is certainly different to anything else you've seen. You can see here now this foil. So this at around 16 knots, it's a computer controlled system. It'll drop itself into the water, and the stability and the way the fins adjust themselves is controlled by the same computer system. You've got access right round here. The battery sits underneath this section here, and obviously that is a sun lounger at the same time, with cup holders. There's a couple of forward sun loungers here like that, and you can see there's a Dometic drawer fridge down there. Grab rails all the way around, no side decks as you would expect, and obviously because this is battery powered, it's built to be as light and efficient as possible. So the helm seats are super light but nice and strong. There's a big access hatch right the way across here, which we're not going to open today because we're at a boat show. The helm station is here. Pretty straightforward. 2 seats with seat belts, you'll notice, and the same with the seat belts at the back there. That's to make sure that when she's up on the plate or on the foils that everyone is strapped in. And a slightly different helm station as normal. For starters, you've got the steering wheel with all the controls here. There's the Candela throttle lever down there. Navigation and control screen there. Little storage bin in there. And as you can see, these perspex sections pop up as the forward foils lift up, and then they close down as it drops down. If you want to go forward, pretty straightforward. Unpop the middle windscreen, a few steps forward takes you to this beautifully clear, uninhibited foredeck. Just a little grab rail there by the anchor section, and you can see illumination there into the fore cabin. So to gain access to the fore cabin, it's pretty straightforward. You go through here, but to gain access, push this little button here, that unlocks, the steps open up, and here we have the fore cabin. A couple of little steps in takes us in. Surprisingly long, lots and lots of space on board, seats right the way around, little infill section there which I guess could be a table, a couple of reading lights, ventilation up there, and you can then see, if I pop inside, you can see that drops down, gives you good seating headroom, and there's that fore hatch we looked at before, and a very long bed, and that's looking back. Nicely finished. Obviously because the battery, the lighter you can make the boat, the further it travels. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Slightly different, not something I've ever seen before. I have seen them actually out on trial. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is Marbella's Candela foiling sports boat. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Do please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time round. Thank you for watching.